Hello everyone, welcome to Spooky Silly Storytime. My name is Penny Dreadful and I'm here from the Danbury Public Library. Today, I'd like to share a story with you that is both a little bit spooky and a little silly to put a smile on your face. Would you like to hear today's story? Well, here we go. The Scariest Book in the Whole Entire World. Written and illustrated by Joey Acker. Hooray! Not. Are you kidding me? Why do you want to read the scariest book in the whole entire world? I am trapped in here, but you can turn back now. Also, if you close this book, I don't have to go through the horrors again. Rats and cheese! I thought you'd left. Fine. If you really want to know why this is the scariest book in the whole entire world, I'll tell you. Reason number 1. I do not like to be scared. I do not like surprises. And I do not like scary books. That's 3 reasons. Just go with it. Reason number 2. I heard there was a ghost in this book. Guess what? I do not like ghosts! Oops. I probably shouldn't be yelling in a book full of scary things. But you know what really scares me? Reason number 3! Spiders! Nope. Whew. Okay. What's next? Ah, yes. Reason number 4. I'm afraid of the dark. Wait for it. Hey, that wasn't so bad. I guess I'm braver than I thought. Ah! Hello? Well, that's creepy and random. Let me guess. Reason number 5? Clowns?
Dude, I can totally see you. My name is Bobo, and I'm here to help.
Help?
Yep. I found the light switch for you, and I'm supposed to give you reason number 6. The Beast.
Beast? I don't remember any beast in this book.
Oh yeah. It's big, stinky, mean, and has a big horn on its head. And I heard it eats spiders for breakfast and ghosts for lunch.
Well, what does it eat for dinner?
Well, rocks.
I'm a rock. Wait, where are you going?
Sorry, bro. I'm not sticking around in this book. Bobo out. Peace.
Reason number 7. Bobo locked the door. How am I going to get out of here? And, what's that awful smell? The stinky beast! The ghost? Seriously? Help me, Bobo! Wow. I don't think there is anything scarier than a ghost and a stinky beast.
Except for maybe a stinky booty.
Oh, Bobo. Wasn't that a fun story? Did it send shivers down your spine? Or did it make you giggle? Well, now that we've had our story, it's time for a snack. So we're going to go down to my kitchen and we're going to learn how to make a simple, tasty treat. Today we are going to make no-bake cookies. For this we're going to need some cereal, some mini marshmallows, some chocolate chips, some canola oil, wax paper, a pot, and a cooking sheet. I've got 1 2/3 cup of chocolate chips, and we're going to put that into our pot. And to this we are going to add 2 tablespoons, those are the big spoons, of the canola oil. We're now going to set this on a burner so that we're going to melt this all together. And as you can guess, we are using the oven, so you need an adult or an older sibling who can be trusted with the oven to help you out with this part. So I'm just going to set this on our oven so that it can sit there and melt down. And while that's going, I'm going to prepare the next step. So I need 3 cups of my cereal. Pour that right in my bowl here. And to this bowl, I am going to add 2 cups of my mini marshmallows. Gonna mix all of this up. That's fun, huh? Yeah, look at that. And to this, we're going to add our melted chocolate chips. Before it hardens up, we're going to go ahead and mix everything together. Set that aside. Now what we're going to do, take our cookie sheet, and we're going to layer down some wax paper. Now we're going to take teaspoons of this. It looks kind of weird right now, huh? Yeah. But we're going to take a rounded teaspoon of it. That's pretty good right there. And we're going to lay them on our sheet. And once your cookie sheet is filled, you want to put this in the fridge for 20 minutes to half an hour. And when you pull it out, you will have yummy, chocolatey, no-bake cookies. Enjoy! I hope you had fun at today's spooky, silly story time. Until next time, when we meet again, stay silly, stay spooky, and enjoy this wonderful Halloween season. Goodbye, everyone.